welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my spring gnome journal, paper bag journal. I'm trying to finish some projects up from last year, and this is one of them. But first I went to my second-hand shop and got a few little antique books, well, vintage. For instance, this one is a French-Spanish book from, now there was a date in here, I thought, 1942, this one. So there's lots of pages in here for me to use up, as you can see, and I did like the cover as well. In fact, I've picked up a few that I've liked the cover for, and the fly leaves here. It's that one. And then I got a couple of children's books from, now there was a date in here somewhere. This is William the Outlaw, 1939. William the Outlaw and William Master of Dogs. And I'm not sure if they're both, this one's 1939. I like the pages, but I also like the cover. I think I'm going to do some sort of book that has got children in and is just use this cover. And the same with this one. I think this one's younger, but look at the inside bit, and they're all, look at their faces. They look so angry. And this one is 1962. So this is quite a bit older, younger. Then these two I got because of the inside bit and the covers. I love this here. And again, I think I'm just going to keep the cover. It is a little bit damaged there, but I think I can repair that. But look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I want to keep this in. So I may have to try cutting it from here and keep the last 2 pages in the book. I can always cover that with something. Or it may be I'll be able to get away. Oh no, that one is there. Yeah. I think I can get away with cutting it down there, and then these will stay on. Hopefully. I hope, because that's gorgeous. And then this is the same, and I like the cover again here that I tend to clean up and use. And again, it's got this design in the front. So again, I'm hoping that I can cut it probably there. I'm hoping. I'm going to give it a go and see what happens to use the cover. So that is my antique books, or vintage books I should say. Put them over there. And then I have this, my paper bag journal, Spring Gnome. I started this last year and didn't quite finish it. I will link below, and I think it's going to probably go up about here. No, about there, somewhere on the top is where I'm going to link where I made the base for this. So I will link it below and up the top as well. So I will put this to music, so I'm not annoying you too much. And thanks very much for watching, and please hit that like button if you enjoy this, and subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. Thanks a lot.